Time to take a look on the 5 best low impact exercises for your lower back. The first one is the cat-cow. This exercise is great because you actively work on your spinal flexion and extension without putting too much pressure on this area. This has to do with the very low shearing forces in this position because of the knee and arm support. At the same time, you activate all the important muscles that are necessary to bend and extend your spine. The second exercise is the hollow body crunch. Here you aim for a posterior pelvic tilt while raising your shoulder blades off the ground. When you compare it with leg lifts, you will notice that your thighs are in a vertical line above your pelvis. This creates a very small lever for your lower spine and with that much lower pressure. The same counts for the comparison with the sit-up. In the hollow body crunch, you only raise your shoulder blades off the ground and not the entire upper body. This makes the exercise not only more spine friendly, it's also much better to focus on your abs. The abs contract if you tilt your pelvis backwards and flex your thoracic spine. Any further movement is done by your hip flexors and totally useless if you want to train your abs. The third exercise is bridging. This exercise is really good to activate your back and your glutes. The glutes can also play a role in back pain. If they are too weak and other muscles are too tight, it can lead to the lower cross syndrome. When you do the bridge, make sure to not overextend your lower spine. Try to hold it in a neutral position and focus on glute tension when you raise your body up and down. The fourth exercise is the quadruped arm and leg raise. Here you raise one arm and the opposite leg off the ground until they form a straight horizontal line with your torso. Please make sure to not overextend your spine or to shift and rotate your body. This contralateral exercise is great to work against imbalances and focuses on your spine extensors and stabilizers. If you can't maintain the correct body alignment because of balance problems, you can start by only extending one leg or one arm at a time. To maintain or build an evenly trained body, it's important to work with both sides equally. So for each set you do with your right arm and your left leg, you do one set with your left arm and your right leg. The last exercise is the knee to chest stretch. This is a more passive exercise, but still great to release muscle tension in your lower back. You can do this exercise while laying on your back or in a kneeling position.